Hey, what's going on, Rick fans? I don't know what that was. It was my intro for the week. But you can hear the crappiness in my voice. I don't know, but I can hear it. Yeah, just got back literally. I just pulled up in my driveway about 20 minutes ago. Found the box. Found a box on my bed. Opened. Thank you, annoying little brothers. It was opened. I could see what was inside. And it was this. So I built it. And now I'm reviewing it. It is set 70672. Cole's dirt bike, 212 pieces, 3 minifigures, and that's it. My voice sounds like absolute dog doo-doo because I was just at Fort AP Hill for the week, and when you're yelling for a week, your voice kind of goes away, and then you start to sound like Darth Vader as he dies. That was morbid as heck. Okay, alright, yeah, 212 pieces, 3 figures, 1 Pyro, shoot, my knee hurts, Pyro Destroyer, 1 Kai, and 1 Cole. Yeah, this just came in yesterday. I asked my mother, this came in yesterday. Yesterday the 27th. If you recall, last video, I did the review of the Spider-Man Far From Home Molten Man battle. You will remember I purchased this on the 9th. That is 3 weeks, 6 days. Almost a month. It took over a month to ship this to America from Austria. I am not happy. I'm happy that I finally got it, but I am not happy that it took a month to get here. And I paid $25 in shipping. I'm not happy. Not at all. Not at all. I will not, absolutely will not be linking the lady that I bought this from down in the description, because I am absolutely livid. Where's that box at? I can't even read this crap. Name right there. Klee. Well, Klee, I will not be linking you in my description. I know I am a low man on the totem pole, but no one's probably going to watch this, but I will not be linking you in my description. Because that is just ridiculous. I could swim from America to Austria quicker than it took this to get here. That is absolutely ridiculous. Ridiculous. Now that I am done ranting, let me actually review the thing. Pyro Destroyer. Love this thing. Love these Pyro Destroyers, because they just look awesome. They make me want to go back and get all the Pharaoh's Quest sets, because I just love the way these things look. I figured this head. Yeah, I have a cut there. I just realized that. I have a head. I have a head. Of course I have a head. The head shoulder pieces, not one molded piece actually. I figured it would be, but it's nice to be. It's nice that it's two, but I kind of figured it'd be just one piece. Yeah, I kind of figured that it'd be one piece, but it's not bad that it's two. I'm cool with that. Here is the torso, and here is the back. There is the shield in copper. Here's this old scepter. Can anyone tell me why it's curved? Why swords were curved? I will not tell you. You have to tell me down in the comments. The winner gets a like on their comment. No, yeah, the winner gets a like on their comment. There's his feet. Here is Kai. Season 11 garb. Looks nice. Face, you know, we've gotten this for, I think the Lego Ninjago movie was 2 years ago. So, yeah, we've gotten this face for 2 years. Nothing new. You've probably seen it 1,000,001 times. There's the back. And here's the sword holster. Looks actually pretty nice. I like it. I guess I don't understand why everything has the shuriken logo. I mean, yeah, Cole's flag has a shuriken logo too. You'd figure it'd be like a sledgehammer or something like that. Speaking of which, you don't use any. You use one piece out of the whole weapon, the golden weapons. Well, not the golden weapons, but the weapons array bag. Yeah, you get the two tontos, the crises is what I call them. They kind of remind me of the crises. They use big old thing. I dropped it. This big old thing in gold. 2 of those. You get 1 more of these, and you get both of these in gold. So that's great. That's good. And you get coal. I gotta take them out of the bike now. I don't like to take the figures out of the bike, because then I gotta put them right back in the bike. Or car, or vehicle, whatever they're driving. There's the front. Here's again, sleeveless. There's his head garb printing, which is the same for these stickers right here. Front. Come on, there goes the head. There's the back. He has a little he has a couple carabiners down there with, I guess that'd be an MRE pouch. It's got a spoon and a fork on it, so I figured it'd be some kind of food. MRE is meals ready to eat, if you didn't know that. Alrighty, now let's get to the bike. The bike. They have two little studs for the figure to stand on. Man, my voice sounds like crap. I bet you this video is going to sound crappier than it usually does. Come on, his hands won't go in there. Come on, wrap it. There, come on, damn it. Dang it, I don't, oh my Jesus. Oh my Jesus. Come on, sweet Jesus. And this is taking incredibly too long to put one figure in the bike. No, you butthead. Gotta use 3-year-old swear words, because I can't swear. Thank you, YouTube. I got you in the bike. Dang it, your hand came undone. Haha, I win. 212 pieces. The new wheel pieces are pretty cool, I guess. Instead of getting, I wish they would. I kind of like these now more now because they're a lot easier to put on than the actual rims. New rock printing pieces, 2 stud shooters, nice sticker piece on both sides. It sucks that we get tread without the little rubber pieces, but they're just too small to put in rubber pieces, so now it won't move on hard surfaces. You get 3 of those printing, one there, there, and there. Place for him to sit. Spear for a flag and a flag pole, boy, flag. 3 swords. You do get an extra sword, an extra golden katana, and an extra gray katana. That's pretty much that. You can move this up and down. You can move these individually. You can shoot the stud shooters. Hit the button right there. You can move the flags, you know, do some maintenance work. Get a little wrench and you can ratchet this up and down. I guess that makes it kind of roll a little better. Got some nice grill detail. A lot of empty space down there for I don't know why. I guess that's about it. Yeah, that's about it, pretty much. It's pretty simple. It's just a dirt bike. I do have the Katana 4x4 coming in the mail soon. I believe within the next week. So hopefully that comes in before Friday, so I can do the video on that one. Hopefully I can do it before Jang Brinks does it, because he's almost done all the videos. He's got, I think, this, the Katana 4x4, and the second Emperor's Castle. Oh, and all the slams, but no one really counts those. And here's his hammer. Here's Cole's hammer. Wait a minute. Since Thor is the god of thunder, and he has a new hammer, can we call this Earthbreaker? Earthbreaker? God, my voice sounds like crap. Earthbreaker. Oh gosh. I'm gonna call this Earthbreaker. That's its name, Earthbreaker. I just said they reintroduced this new sword again. Going back to this, trying to spend some more time looking at the set, because it's a good set. Like, I mean, when you don't have to pay $40, $45. And what did I pay? I don't even remember. Shoot. It's been almost a month. Thank you, Austria lady. Or guy, or whatever. Or, I don't know, something. Okay, that's the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button if you want my throat to, if you want my voice to get better before the end of the week. If we can get 50 subscribers, my voice will be better. We'll get better by the end of this week. And if we don't, my pain and suffering will be all your faults. Can you live with that on your conscience? I don't know. You tell me. Goodbye.